All right, everybody, welcome back. We're starting our first day Google Sheets. So go ahead and open up a new Google Sheet, blank Google Sheet, right? And find me here. Okay, first things first, give it a title up here. Google Sheet and practice. Let's try that. Okay, we got that. As you can see, we have letters up top and numbers on the side. These are called cells. Cell, like a prison cell, like a plant cell. Okay. Now, these are called spreadsheets, and they're mostly used for numbers and formatting and getting things together. Right? I've used this to make my basketball rosters. I've used this to make my taxes forms. Okay. It's really like math on a paper. For instance, if I were to go equal 2 plus 2 tab, it's going to give me 4. Right? It's a calculator in each specific square. Okay, so we're going to use that to our advantage, but first we're just going to learn a couple of the basics today. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's find A1. See how it's A up top and 1 on the left? A1. That's how you name cells. You say the letter and the number. That's how you tell people what you're working with. So let's go ahead and go to B1, A1, and let us put the color of the rainbow, red. B, orange, yellow, blue, indigo, violet. Wonderful. Okay, wonderful. Colors of the rainbow. Okay, now down here, let's go ahead and put some values. Let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oh no, I wrote over my orange. Whatever should I do? So I could just type everything in again, or I could undo. But how about this? How about I just click and drag across all of those cells, right click, cut. Now that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cells selected, and I selected from the top cell, wherever I click, right here would be row 2, that's where they're going to put that top cell. So if I click and paste, it's going to take all that selection and just move it down. Right, if I were to have clicked, undo. If I would have clicked out here, control, cut, paste, right, it would have put it wherever the top was. But I want the top cell to go here and the rest to follow suit. So let me drag, cut, paste, and let me add orange. Red, orange, yellow. Okay, so now we're doing 3. I'm setting the down arrow. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. In blue, we're going 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. I did it again. Five, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Okay, so now I have my tables here, and there's 7 colors in a rainbow, so why am I stopping at 6? Oh, wait, I missed a color. Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, G. Oh, blue, indigo, violet, I missed the green. Okay, this happens sometimes. You forget to put in a color or a value or a table. Okay, so there are a couple different ways I can solve this, right? I can highlight all of this, cut it and move it over, paste it. Or I can click on the column I want, right click, and in here it tells me I can insert one left. One what? Well, since I clicked on the column, it's going to insert a column. Green. Queen. Like Lego Ninjago. You are the Queen Ninja. Okay, but I do want to actually cut and paste my numbers over here. And then next is 7, 14. Geez, but you know what? I kind of forgot my times table, so why don't I just do 3 times 7? Oh, why did it work? Because I have to say equals 3 times 7. Tab. Ah, equals 3 times 3 times 7. There we go. You have to shift 8. You have to use a little asterisk. Equals 3, shift 8, 4. No. Okay, I can either double click to fix it in here, okay, or I can click the cell once, and then up here, it has the actual formula. See this f of x? That's my formula. So times 7. It's still not what I want. 4 times 7, that's what I want. Equals 5 times 7. Equals 6 times 7. Good. All right, it spit out the right answer for me. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, now that I've done that, we actually can do some colors, right? See, we have a lot of similar options to Google Docs and Google Slides, right? So if I click my red, I can make it bigger. I can center it. And I can color it red. So go ahead and color all of these. Make them bigger. Make them size 12. Center them. I want the background a light version of that color and the foreground a dark version of that color. Yellow. So go ahead and pause it and meet me back when you've done all that. Yellow. Oh, I want it the other way. Oh, that's what I wanted. Green. Very nice. Bigger. 12. And centered, of course. I love things centered, especially my column headers. Oh, what am I saying? Why don't I just do one, get my paintbrush, and do the rest? One. The colors will be wrong, but at least I won't have to. There we go. Paintbrush, right? By doing that paintbrush, it's going to make it all the same. It's going to make exactly the same. So now all I have to do is go through, click the cell, and change the color. Indigo. Okay, let's see. Indigo. Violet. You're turning violet. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Cool. I can't really see my yellow. So let me, what are you? Ah, cool. Let me see if I can do something about that. That's better. Okay. All right, cool. So now we have everything situated and colored. Okay, but now I want to see what the sums of all these are, right? So I'm going to go ahead and insert a row to the left. Okay, do I want this red here? No. So I can either go here and click reset, or I could say format, clear formatting. It's going to take it all away. And here I want the total. Okay, this is the really cool part of any spreadsheet. Okay, if I hit equals, parentheses, if I click a cell, it's going to automatically put that number in there. Plus the next one, plus the next one, plus the next one, plus the next one, plus the next one. Now I need to close it and hit tab. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 6 is 21. Is that correct? I think so. Okay, equals, parentheses, this plus, what if I drag it? Will that be the same answer? No, nope. C3 plus C4 plus C5 plus C6 plus C7. How's that? Boop, 42. Wow, it's like magic. I got the magic in me. Okay, you're going to go through and total each one of these all the way through. Okay, remember, equal, parenthesis, click on that one. Click on the cell you want, plus cell, plus cell, plus cell, plus cell, plus cell, parenthesis. Boop. 21, 42, 63. Ooh, I sense a pattern. I sense a pattern. Interesting. Okay. Okay, so total all these up. Make sure you can get all this through. And that's our little intro to Google Sheets. There's a lot more to come. This is actually a pretty intense program. My brother, his whole job right now is just to work with spreadsheets, so he can get pretty crazy on a spreadsheet. So hopefully I'll teach you some of that crazy stuff that he does. All right, last thing down here where it says Sheet 1, double click, Google Sheet Practice tab. And there you have it, nice and labeled. All right, sayonara, suckers.